Hello, thank you for joining me. Today I'll be making smothered onion burgers. Let's get started. I have a half of a pound of hamburger. I'm going to use a package of onion soup mix. I have some all-purpose sauce, but you can use A1 steak sauce. You can use Worcestershire sauce. You can use whatever you have, but I like this. This is pretty tasty. I find it at Meijer. Let's go ahead and shake some in. Use your own judgment. That was probably a few tablespoons. Add a little bit more. There you go. I'm adding a little bit of warm water. You're going to go in and mix it. Smells good. Might need a little more water. I'm going to turn my pan on. We want it to be ready. I'm just going to make patties. I'm going to turn it up high and let these fry up. By that oil. We're going to remove these. And now we're going to get rid of most of this oil. And add in a little flour with that. Going to cook it long enough to take the grittiness out of the flour, to take the rawness out. I'll cook this for about a minute or so. See, I left most of the flavor, as much of it as I could, that was in the bottom of the pan. That's going to help season the gravy. See how nice and brown it's gotten. You don't want to burn it though. Just brown it up really nicely, and like I said, cook the raw flavor out. Okay, here I have, let me show you, 1 package of mushroom gravy. And I've just added a cup of water. Let's turn this up. Let's stir it up. We will need more water. We're just going to let this cook up and thicken. A couple minutes or so. And if you cook more, then you're going to need more gravy. So you probably want to double what I've just done. See how it's thickening? So I have some water sitting here on the side. This is hot tap water. Mm hmm. It's pretty. I'm gonna make it just a little bit darker though. Let's get this going. See, it's thickening up again. We're gonna add more water. Need some pepper up in there too. Little at a time because you don't want to make it too thin. And then you'll have to thicken it up again with some gravy and water. I mean gravy. Did I say gravy? I'm sorry. Some flour and water. You know, you mix that and you use it to thicken up your gravy. Pour a little at a time. Or you can add another pack of gravy. 1 cup of water and a pack of gravy. And that looks looking good. Then we're gonna add some pepper. I think that's about thick enough. We're gonna check for thickness. Remember how I showed you to check for thickness? Here's a spoon. Run your finger. If it doesn't run back together, then you're fine. As long as it stays, see? Then you have some thick gravy. I'm going to make it a little darker, so I'm going to use some kitchen bouquet. That's good enough. Let's add our hamburger in. It's too much grease. I'm not going to add that back. And I have some onions that I've sliced. And we're going to let this simmer for about 30 minutes or so. 30-40 minutes. We're just going to cover the hamburger. You might want to go in every now and again and do that. And dinner will be ready shortly. Well, it's going to add a little bit of butter. Extra added flavor. That's all it is. It's not going to hurt you, just a little bit. That should do it. The one up here. It's been about 30 minutes. Let's make a plate. Yeah, I have some white rice here. Like a lot of gravy or a little gravy? I like a lot of gravy. to see that it's cooked. Favorite part. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Might need a pinch more salt, but other than that, it's really good. Mm-hmm. Hey, thanks for watching. And remember to pray, and then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you, pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you so very much. Share with friends and family and comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and stay blessed. Hey, I love you. Yeah, you. I really do. Later. This is quick and it's easy. Go ahead and make you some. Mm-hmm.